Surfing online on your web browser? Get this. Our ExpressVPN browser extension lets you turn it on with a single click without even leaving your window. How does it work? Let me show you. First, go to your web browser's extension page, like the Google Chrome Web Store or Firefox browser add-ons. There, search for ExpressVPN and install our dedicated add-on. In just a few seconds, you'll be able to open ExpressVPN through your browser's extension button. Now you can connect and disconnect from your VPN as you wish with just one tap. To switch your location, tap the three-dot button on the right side of your current location and choose where you want to go next. You can always see your connection status right from the browser extension icon. Orange means connecting, green means it's on, and the berry color means there's an error. But the fun doesn't end here. There are more location and security features you can access by clicking on the menu icon on the top left corner of your browser extension. Let's explore some of them. You can switch between having the VPN protect your entire device, which is called remote control mode, and having it protect only your internet browser in proxy mode. That's right, you get more control than ever. Protecting only your browser unlocks a ton of cool benefits, like smart routing, where you can choose when and where to automatically connect to your VPN. For example, you can set it so that every time you visit a UK website domain, your VPN will connect to a UK server location. How great is that? Proxy mode also lets you finally enjoy a VPN connection through some devices for the first time ever, like MetaQuest headsets. Under privacy and control, you can control whether or not to spoof your location and block WebRTC. Spoof your location means that whenever this feature is toggled on, the websites you visit will show your VPN location as opposed to your actual location. Block WebRTC means that whenever this is toggled on, websites can't see your true IP and location. You can also automatically connect to your last VPN location right as you power up your browser. To do it, click on the menu icon, head to Settings, and activate Connect on Browser Launch. There you go. Your secure connection now starts exactly when you start to browse. Enjoy.